welcome back to my channel. So obviously, as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I do my messy bun. Now, even though I'm starting out on day 2 hair, I usually do this as my hair gets older throughout the week, but it's super quick and super easy and perfect for when you're in a rush. Now, before we begin, you're going to want to grab a few items. You're going to need a hair tie, some bobby pins, some water, a light oil, a moisturizer, gel, and then of course a brush. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just lightly spritz my hair with water just around the perimeter of my hair, just so it won't be super dry. Now, even though my hair is relatively still fresh, I'm still doing this so that I can prep my hair for the next product. For my moisturizer, I'm going in with Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. It's the same product that I used in my wash and go, and I freaking love this stuff. And I'm only going to take just a little bit since my hair is still fresh, and I'm just going to put that around the perimeter, the same exact place where I sprayed that water, and just rub that in just to make sure my hair is soft and moisturized around the edges. And of course, I can't forget about my ends, so I'm going to be using a little jojoba oil, and everything that I'm using will be listed down below. But yeah, I'm just taking some oil to moisturize my ends, and I do this daily. Okay, so for my ponytail, I'm going to be using one of my snappy hair ties, and I filmed a whole video on these a long time ago on my channel, and there will be a discount code linked below in case you're interested in purchasing one for yourself. But I really love these things, they're amazing, and I'm just going to be grabbing all of my hair and pulling it towards the top of my head, getting it ready for my ponytail. And I always make sure that my hair is loose. I cannot stand tight ponytails, you guys. It's just not good for your hair. It's not good for your hair. So make sure it's loose, and I'm only wrapping this around twice and making sure that my ends are still tucked in. And it's okay if hair comes out, because we're going to fix that. Okay, so now that I've got my bun positioned where I want it, I'm just going to be securing it in place with some bobby pins. I'm going to be taking those hairs that fell out the bun and pinning it up. Now, I still want this look to look, you know, messy, but in a cute sort of way and effortless. So I'm constantly tugging on my bun and making sure that it's the way that I want it. And I think I used a total of 4 bobby pins to secure it. Okay, so the last step, my favorite part, is to lay those edges. Although technically my baby hairs never lay down because they always curl up and ball up on me after about an hour or 2, but you know, whatever, I try. But anyways, I'm using the curling souffle from Shea Moisture, and another thing I like to do is to take some hairs on the sides and make cute little ringlets. It just makes the hairstyle look like you put way more effort into it than you really did, and it's just super cute, you guys. And I'm taking my edges brush and laying, or rather trying to give my baby hairs a little formation, because like I said, they have a mind of their own, but this just adds to the effortless look of the hairstyle. And I don't really like all those hard gels, which is why I'm using a more softer, flexible gel. So again, the point here is to make the style look effortless. So that's pretty much it. That's all I do for my messy bun. I just throw on a pair of cute earrings and I'm good to go. Very quick, very easy, very simple, very effortless. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!